Hey guys, Bodhi here from Pierce Maker Studios bringing you another video. The other day I went to Family Kingdoms to get an exclusive tour about what's been going on around the park. First of all, the day I'm posting this, Thursday, the park opens tomorrow, which is Friday, for the 2026 season, which is absolutely amazing. I will be there this weekend to get brand new POVs of all the new rides, and I could not be more excited. I do have my spring musical this weekend too, so it's been a little weird. I won't be able to go opening day. But it's whatever. I will still get great POVs to you guys very soon. Going through what they showed me, they gave me a little look into the maintenance area where a bunch of go-karts are. They do not have a go-kart track anymore, so I believe these are kind of just being stored in here for now to be sold or just taken away. There's also been some great artwork done in there, which looks absolutely amazing. They actually have an in-house artist that does all that. Next, we have the Inferno. We got a closer look at that, which is the Larson Super Loop coming to the park for 2026. These are very well-known rides. They're all around the world, including like bigger parks like Six Flags and all that. It's cool to see, but nothing to shout at. Colossus, I'm very excited about. And then we have Crazy Choppers and Skyhawk. Skyhawk is a returning ride from years ago, but this time it's in a different location where the old kiddie coaster was. And of course, Crazy Choppers is this weird helicopter kind of army-looking ride, which should be a family ride that just kind of rises up a little bit. Another family ride coming to the park is the Kraken. Something that has gotten a lot of people talking about Family Kingdom lately is a big crate that came into the park a few days ago. They posted on their Instagram being like, what is in here? And I'm going to reveal that to you guys now. The big rumor has been that there are coaster parts in here, like the trains or the track. And let's go inside now and see that it is absolutely empty. This is what is going to be the future home of Family Kingdom's merch shop. They're going to put all kinds of new Swamp Fox gear, hopefully some gear for the new ride, and all the Family Kingdom gear you would ever need, like hats, shirts, hoodies. I know this may come as a disappointment to some people, but for me personally, it is absolutely great to see merch. I've been wanting it at this park forever. In terms of the coaster, the only kind of updates I really have is the ride's theme will be to a pirate. I cannot give any more information than that. The ride's name will probably also be themed to some kind of pirate. That's all I'm allowed to say. And also, there has not really been any work done with the coaster lately. There are still no footers or anything, and that is why this is complete speculation. None of this has been confirmed by Family Kingdom at all. But I am slowly starting to think that this RMC Raptor is going to be a 2027 edition. I'm starting to think that they are going to get it built over the summer. But here's the thing. Family Kingdom closes in September. Are they really going to open it for about a month and then close it? Or will they just market it as a brand new attraction and have it open all year next year in 2027? That's all I'm going to say about that, but think about it. That is all the updates I have for Family Kingdom in this update. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please give it a like. And if you really, really enjoyed it, give me a subscribe. I will leave my merch store in the description below. Aim high, not low, and never quit. Peace.